Pharma 4.0 integrates the industrial Internet of Things, cloud data platforms, and artificial intelligence analytics directly into traditional physical manufacturing. Historically, pharmaceutical plants relied on an air gap, a strict physical isolation between enterprise IT networks and operational technology. Digital transformation actively dismantles that barrier on the plant floor. With new digital connectivity, external data networks plug straight into industrial control systems. A malicious script executed on a cloud server can now manipulate physical machinery, like a mechanical valve on a sterile filling line. In this environment, a cyber breach results in a massive regulatory compliance failure. If ransomware infiltrates a connected plant, compromised systems threaten electronic batch records, corrupt product quality, and endanger patient safety. Standard corporate cybersecurity playbooks and basic software patches are insufficient for this level of risk. Securing a hyper-connected manufacturing plant requires building a unified architectural framework from the ground up, one that merges IT, OT, and strict GXP regulatory requirements. Before we install a single technical control, our security framework must map directly to the regulatory risk landscape. We start with GXP systems like MES, LIMS, and QMS. To protect their data, we build on the Alcoa Plus framework. Records must be attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. FDA Part 11 and EU Annex 11 govern these records, securing data integrity into place. Regulatory compliance dictates every technical requirement in Pharma 4.0. Without it, even the most advanced cybersecurity tool remains invalid and unvalidated for production use. Standard IT networks prioritize data confidentiality and rapid automated patching. Operational technology, however, prioritizes continuous availability and physical safety. To resolve this, we use the Purdue model. It layers enterprise IT systems at the top and industrial OT systems at the bottom. Thick horizontal boundary lines isolate these zones to limit threats, while vertical conduits actively filter data packets traveling between them. A specific vulnerability in this architecture comes from third-party vendors who require remote access to maintain OT systems. Mitigating this requires a secure remote access standard operating procedure. This mandates strict approval loops, multi-factor authentication, and continuous session recording for every vendor login. Similarly, OT patching strategies must be tightly controlled, aligning updates with strict validation requirements and scheduled production downtime. Proper IT-OT network segmentation isolates critical industrial systems. It ensures that an enterprise-wide ransomware infection cannot cascade onto the manufacturing floor. With network pathways secured, we shift focus to critical data generated at the OT layer, specifically electronic batch records and laboratory quality data. We measure our data resilience using two metrics, recovery point objective and recovery time objective. This timeline maps continuous data generation. If an incident strikes, the RPO defines the maximum allowable data loss, while the RTO dictates the maximum allowable manufacturing downtime. A ransomware attack on execution systems instantly freezes the supply chain. The defense is an immutable backup. An isolated vault locks down the data timeline, repelling unauthorized alterations to preserve the records. A thoroughly tested disaster recovery plan, paired with resilient backups, prevents a cyber attack from turning into a permanent loss of GXP compliance and business continuity. System architecture alone cannot protect the plant. We have to secure the human operators interacting with human-machine interfaces on the plant floor. In GXP environments, utilizing shared user accounts creates severe regulatory risk and results in data integrity failures. When multiple operators use a single login, individual accountability is lost, rendering audit trails useless for regulatory inspections. We implement a joiner, mover, leaver process. A workflow filters user identities, dynamically assigning and stripping credentials as employment changes. Avatars pass through a matrix gate, enforcing role-based access control and least privilege, gaining access only to specific approved OT nodes. Technical identity and access management controls must connect to daily human cyber hygiene, requiring protocols for safe email use and password safety. We reinforce these behaviors through role-based phishing simulation campaigns, tailored for QA, engineering, and OT staff. To sustain this, organizations deploy a cyber champions network. These individuals promote and enforce good cybersecurity practices directly within their respective manufacturing departments. Technical access gates are useless if the human culture circumvents them. Identity governance must integrate with the company's overarching quality culture. A static architectural defense will eventually be bypassed by a persistent threat. The framework requires an active monitoring layer. We implement a CM system as the central nervous system. A top-level radar node casts a scanning wave through IT and OT layers. Logs and alerts stream upwards into a central workflow, where anomalies are flagged and active threats are instantly isolated. This workflow drives continuous vulnerability management. When audits uncover weaknesses, teams use corrective and preventative actions, or CAPA, to permanently remediate the findings. This scrutiny extends to third-party vendor risk. Supplier access to automation software or cloud services must be segmented and bound by specific cybersecurity contract clauses. Continuous threat detection and rigorous vendor auditing turn a static network map into an active security operation that remains ready for regulatory inspection. Look at the fully assembled cybersecurity framework. It merges strict IT/OT segmentation, robust data resilience, identity governance, and active threat detection. True Pharma 4.0 security cannot be achieved by purchasing isolated point solutions or applying generic corporate IT strategies to the factory floor. To safely scale digital manufacturing, cybersecurity strategy must be integrated directly into the enterprise quality management system. Cybersecurity managers must lead this transformation. They are the essential bridge communicating across IT, engineering, and quality assurance. This unified framework ensures that operations maintain audit readiness and possess resilient crisis management capabilities when disruptions occur. By strictly aligning cyber risk controls with GXP regulations and the Purdue model, organizations can fully embrace the innovations of Pharma 4.0 without ever sacrificing product quality or patient safety.